So one thing that's been brought up ever since the early announcement of the entire cast of Avengers Infinity War was, where in the world is Nick Fury? He's literally the dude that helped put the Avengers together and propel them to work as a team to defend everything. And then he's not in the movie celebrating that they're literally reforming as a team after falling apart and taking on the biggest threats the world has ever seen. I mean, they even echo his own words in the trailer, so naturally people are wondering, where is he? Of course, Samuel Jackson complained he wasn't in Black Panther, he complained he wasn't in some other movies, and he's complaining he's not in Infinity War or Avengers 4. But we know for a fact he will be back for Captain Marvel, which of course takes place in the 90s, so once again, we haven't seen this character since Avengers Age of Ultron. Now recently people did discover that the person who does the makeup for Samuel L. Jackson was listed as part of Avengers Infinity War, and the actual stand-in for Samuel Jackson was also found. But the thing is, that man also doubles down for Anthony Mackie and Chadwick Boseman, so I don't think there's anything there. And the makeup artist, well, I mean, they can just get a new gig. They don't just have to do one person's makeup. So once again, kind of flimsy here, and honestly, I'm just going to go with what my gut's telling me. We're probably not going to see Nick Fury right now. I think they're still saving up the last couple of movies he has, or at least the contracts he has, to put him here or there. I'm assuming one of those is going to be used probably for the ending of Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D., you know, kind of put him in there as a little, hey, look, we brought it all full circle, thing like that. Other than that, is there really a place for him in the movie? I mean, just realistically thinking about it, sure, he can bring that helicarrier he got from the Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. that he got to Sokovia to rescue people, but, like, Thanos can, like, punch that thing and destroy it, so he's kind of useless there, so maybe he's just off doing his own thing. He's going to be on the other part of the world. Maybe they'll mention him, but I don't think we honestly see him.